Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I Chandwani Anju going to teach you class 9 English subject, the poem number 3. The title is Rain on the Roof. So here's written rain on the roof. Just see the picture, the rain that is falling on the roof. In this poem, that is the goddess Spinny, he is asking, he wants to tell that if the sky is covered with totally darkness, it means dark clouds, and after that the rain starts. At that time, what type of imagination, fancies, fancies means imagination, recollection, memories. So which type of memories create in your mind, imagination create in your mind. So in this poem, poet is telling when he listened patter sound means sound of raindrops. Patter means sound of raindrops. Whenever he listened the patter sounds, he create in his mind there is a creation of many types of imagination, recollection, we can say as a memories of his childhood. So let's restart our poem. In this poem, in the first paragraph of this poem, he is telling that when the humid shadow hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently waves in rainy tears, what a bliss to praise the flow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter or the soft rain overhead. Now students, here's written humid. Humid means full of moisture. The sky is covered full of moisture. We can say full of clouds. He is telling that when the totally darkness clouds hover means to move in the air. Hover means to move in the air. The full of moistures, full of clouds move in the air. After this, he is telling that this melancholy darkness, it means sad darkness, start to weep. It means weep means cry. We can say that it is started to fall in rain, in the form of the rain. He is telling when the full of clouds, dark clouds move in the air, and this time it start to fall in the form of the rain. Whenever he heard the patter sound, he feel very bliss. Bliss means happiness. He is telling whenever he listen these sounds, here is written what a bliss to praise a flow of a cottage chamber. It means now he is in his cottage chamber. Chamber means one type of a room or bedroom. At that time he is in his room. वो उस टाइम अपने रूम पर है, and whenever he listen the sound of drops, he feel very happiness, and at that time he praise the pillow in his cottage chamber and listen this patter sounds very with happiness, with bliss. Whenever the rain overhead, जब भी rain वहाँ पे ऊपर आती है, he feel very happy and he listen very carefully and enjoying. So students, he is telling whenever the full of moisture that clouds move in the air started to fall in the form of the rain, and that time he was in his chamber and he praised his pillow with the happiness, and he feel and he enjoyed whenever he listened, whenever he heard the sound of patter. Now let's move in the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, here is written every tinkle. This is the one type of short sound of that is also of rain. He is telling that every tinkle on the shingles, shingle means the tiles on the roof, जो tiles होती है roof के ऊपर, he is telling that every sound that is falling, that every drops that is falling on the shingles, on the tiles of the roof has an echo in the heart. Echo means reflected sound. Echo means reflected sound. You see here written echo, that is a reflected sound. It means जिसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, गूंजना. In Hindi we can say this is गूंजा. जब भी वो ये साउंड सुनते हैं, tinkling sound, that whenever it fall on the shingles, whenever it fall on the roof of the roof means tiles on the roof, there is a echo sound reflect in him. उसके हार्ट में एक ये आवाज गूंज उठती है. And then here said, and 1,000 of dreamy fancies. Fancies means imagination. After listening this sound, 1,000 of imagination start to create. इसमें क्या होती है कि जैसे वो आवाज सुनता है तो imagination क्रिएट होती है. And also 1,000 of recollection. Recollection means memories. Now students, here written recollection of memories. Memories we can say of the past. So he is telling whenever the drops, whenever the rains start to fall on the tiles on the roof, there create in his creation, there is a creation of a echo sound. It means the गूंज उठती है in his heart. And after that he is also telling that after listening this, many thousands of fancies, memories, it means imagination and memories of the past started to create in his mind. बहुत सारी memories, imagination उसके mind में create हो जाती है whenever he listen to the better sound of the rain. And also he is telling that this recollection कैसे create होती है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है weave their ear threads into woof. Woof means one type of cloth. He is telling woof means one type of cloth. जैसे cloth को weave करने के लिए threads की needful होती है. When we have to weave, हमें weave करना पता है cloth को, हमें क्या किसकी जरूरत होती है, threads की जरूरत है. जैसे कि threads cloth को weave करते हैं, same way the raindrops it creates many types of imagination and memories in his mind. So now students, let's we go ahead. Now here written, now in the memory comes my mother as she used in years ago to regard the darling dreamers ear. She left them till the dawn. Now here written, in this paragraph he is telling about his mother. Means here is given about the memories of his mother. अब वो क्या मेमोरी याद कर रहे हैं, उनका क्या माइंड में आ रहा है, that उनकी जो मदर थे, he is telling that memories that his mother used in years ago. Ago means ago. Now students, here written ago means ago. Many years ago his mother used to come in his chamber. वो उनकी मदर उनके पास आते थे and she was calling them dreamers. Now here written them, मतलब वहाँ पे कौन था, with the writer तो है already poet is there, but with him maybe his friends, maybe his brother and sister, we can say as a siblings. She was calling them as a dreamers, and whenever she come to see him, here written to regard it, and she was calling them darlings, dreamers. Here she left them. When she was calling, वो कब उनको ड्रीमर्स करके बुलाते थे, here she left them till the dawn, before leaving the room till the next morning. He is telling that her mother used to come and she was calling them dreamers, and when she left them, जब उनको left करती थी till the for the next morning, दूसरे मॉर्निंग तक जब तक उनको लेफ्ट क्लियर करके जाते थे, उनको एयर मीन्स यहाँ पे टू सी, इनकी मीनिंग यहाँ पे टू सी भी देखने आते थे. एंड शी वॉज एट दैट टाइम शी वॉज कॉलिंग देम एज अ डार्लिंग ड्रीमर्स. एंड एट दैट टाइम द लुक ऑफ हिज मदर, उनकी मदर का जो लुक था, हेयर सिटन, आई फील हर फॉन्ड लुक ऑन मी. फॉन्ड लुक मीन्स लविंग लुक. fond look means loving look and still he remember that look. अभी तक उनको वो जो fond look था, उनका जो loving look था उनकी mother का, still he remembers after, and when he remembers, whenever he hears the sound of, it means the patter sound on the of the raindrops. Here is written that I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Again now I am going to explain you this paragraph. When his mother come to his chamber and she was calling them as a darling dreamers before lifting. Here is written when she left them till dawn means till the next morning, early morning, and this look उनका जो fond look था, her fond look, still he remembers whenever he heard, जब भी उनको ये आवाज सुनाई देती है, the patter sound that is falling on the shingle means that is on the roof of the tiles of the roof. So I hope, so students, I hope you have understood very carefully, and for this you have to do exercise in your classwork. Until then, take care and have a nice day.